Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Wade from the movie Ready Player One. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw him. Alright, to draw this, we're going to start out with the VR glasses. So it's just going to be, we can actually draw just two brackets like this, side by side, and then just connect them. Just go straight across. Okay, and once we're connected them, just go ahead and draw an outline of it. So this one's easy. I go straight across. Okay, and then from there, we're gonna draw his face. So we're gonna rough it in. So right on the edge here, just kind of come down. Just close it off. Okay, so that's gonna be his jawline. So now we can draw in the features. So for his nose, we'll just draw right below the VR glasses, just a little bit curve. Okay, nothing too fancy. And then for his lip, just come down a little bit. Just draw a line. And then on the lower lip, just draw another line, like a little bit shorter. And then for his upper lip, just kind of shade in a little bit of like two little ridges. And then from there, let's move on. So on his top, I'm gonna draw his hair. So let's see, we can come up, just kind of come up all the way around. Okay, so it's a little lopsided on this side, and because the hair is gonna come out this side. So we're just drawing those two loops first, and now we can draw in some details. So there's gonna be some strands going on here. So we'll just draw one. And we'll just draw this flow of the hair. Maybe another one here. And then on this side, on the side, it's gonna be one. Let's draw a couple. Okay, and then from here, we're gonna draw his headphones. So his headphones are easy, just on the side. We'll just draw a little, kind of like a box shape. So come across. And same kind of distance. And then we can add in a little bit more detail. Let's just draw in like a line right across it. Okay, so moving on now to go down, we're gonna go draw his neck. Let's come down, and then his collar, his shirt collar is gonna be, just close it off. And then now we gotta draw in the VR device again, right? So right here, we're gonna come out on both sides. Okay, and then it's gonna loop here and just close it off. So loop here, close it off. And then in the center, we're gonna draw the little, I assume it's a microphone. And then we'll just draw two lines just to connect it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then let's move on to the body. So we're gonna draw in his shoulders, we're gonna come out. Okay, and now we're gonna draw in the shirt on the inside. So it's a little bit wavy, so we can draw in, just give it a little bit of wave. And then we're gonna come across. This is gonna be his belt. Okay, so from here, just draw a little line right here. Okay, so now we can draw in the belt around his waist. It's not his pant belt. Okay, so we're gonna draw a little buckle in here. And now we're gonna continue the shirt. So the shirt's gonna be in here, and just kind of draw a little wave coming down and have it come out a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little fold right there. This side is gonna come out. And we're just gonna close it off. And then for his shirt on the inside, so this one's easy, we'll just draw a curve. Okay, so that pretty much finished that up. Let's draw one of his arms. So we're gonna come down. And he's got a lot of folds here, so we're gonna go, just draw like a few of these shapes. It doesn't have to be exact, as long as you have something bunched up there. Okay, and then close it off. Now the little cuff, We'll close that off. Now for his hand, which is just a glove, so we're going to come down. This is still part of his cuff. This is his thumb. Let's come straight down. Now for one of his fingers, we're just going to curve it in a little bit. Okay, and then for the one inside, we'll just curve a little bit, and maybe that's probably it. We don't have to see the other fingers on the back. Okay, so then for the other hand, I'm gonna have it raised up. So we're gonna come out on this side. We're gonna close this off, and then we're gonna draw, just come out. Okay, and then from here, we can draw, well, we can actually draw the hand first, so we can connect it later. So right here, just above it, just draw a curve. And this is actually gonna be his thumb right here. And then now we're gonna go up for his other finger. So 1, and then 2. And then on these 2 other fingers, we're gonna have it folded. So we just gonna draw this way. So it's almost like 2 egg shapes. And now we just close that off. And it looks like there's gonna be a little bit detail on the glove, so we're gonna drawing these lines right here. And then for this one, it's facing us, so we're gonna go this way. Okay, and then now we can finish off the glove, so we're just gonna come down and just kind of draw another line here, curve. All right, so let's move on. Let's see, you always got some, draw maybe 2 little pockets in here. Smaller details. Okay, so now let's move on to the legs. So right here in the middle, let's draw a little line there. And now we're gonna come down. Okay, and this has some more clothing. This is his knees, gonna be all kind of bunched up a little bit, so we'll draw more of those, just a few of those wiggly shapes. And then in here, it's got a ripped jean, so we'll just draw a little space in there. So let's continue on. Let's pinch it in and go out again. And again, he's gonna, some more foldings, and this time just kind of have it come out more. Okay, so that's gonna be the bottom. And then now for his shoes, so now we're gonna come out, and we can actually just curve it back in. Now we can join the detail. So here's the sole, so we're gonna go across one line, and then on the tip, there's gonna be some details. And here we can't really see the laces unless you draw a couple of lines like that. That'll work too. Okay, so for the other leg, so we're gonna come down again, same kind of area. So come down, again bunched up, so we'll just draw a couple of those shapes. Now we're gonna come just kind of straight down. This one's gonna come out a little bit and pinch it back in, and then we're gonna come back out about the same area. So now we'll close this off, the bottom of this pant. And then for the shoes, we're gonna go from we're gonna see it from the side, so just come out more. This one can come down a little bit and just come straight across. And again, we're gonna have to draw the sole, so we're gonna come straight across. A little bit of detail here. And on this side, we can see the laces, so we'll just draw maybe 3 lines. And that is it for this Wei character in Ready Player One. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.